Hello friends, in this demonstration I will show you how to use the option Batch Process Drawings. I have taken a typical project. Before going to batch processing, I will process all the cross sections. I say build, generate, run. So in this DWG-CS folder, these are all the drawings that are created. Please note we are working in project 2 of the C drive. So if you see here in C drive, my working folder was CQ projects, in that project 2. In the DWG-CS folder, you will see all the drawings are created. Now, just imagine that I want to change the color of this line. Please note, it is always possible to go and change the color here in the settings. In declare, OGL, I can change the color from here. And this will change the color in the settings. I repeat, I don't want to use this because it will be a change permanently in the settings. Okay, so I want to make the change only in the drawings part. So I go here in batch process drawings. I will choose the first tab, layer properties. I have chosen DWG-CS in the folders list box. I am seeing all the drawings over here. This is the list of all the layers in the selected drawing. Suppose I choose OGL. Here the color was black and white, so there is no change here. But in new, I double click. I change the color to blue. I have selected blue over here and I say OK. If you study the selections now, this is the folder that I have chosen. This is a single drawing I have chosen. It is showing me the list of layers. I have chosen OGL. Here the new color I am going to give is blue. And I say process all. You will see the program has processed all the drawings in the cross section. And in each and every drawing, he has taken the OGL layer and he has changed the color of polyline from default, that is black and white, to blue. Now if I exit and then I select this, please note one thing, do not scroll over here. If you click this button, anything over here, the drawings will be reprocessed. If the drawings are reprocessed, again this color will become default, that is black and white. As I have said, in batch process drawings, we are not changing the settings. We are only changing the color superficially. So you will see here in each and every drawing, the color has been changed to blue. So this is a superficial change we make only to the drawings and not to the settings. Again and again I repeat, the change in color was not in the settings. It is very much possible to do there, but we do not want to do it. We have done only to the drawings. Now, similarly, I will show you how to change the line type. From file, I go back to batch process drawings. Here, I have chosen the folder DWG-CS. I can choose any drawing. I have chosen one. Then I have chosen the OGL layer. And I will choose the new line type as dash. And I say process all. All the cross sections are processed. I select the drawing from here. Please note, do not select it over here using the scroll over here. Always select only the drawings because our changes are superficial. So this way I have changed the line type also. There is similar option to hide a layer. I go back to batch process drawing. Suppose you don't want to see a layer similar to AutoCAD, then you can say show hide over here. If you say show, the layer will be turned on. If it is off, here the reverse will happen. If it is turned on, it will make it off. So these are the three properties of a layer that you can change at one go. Beauty of this tool is that maybe you are having thousands of cross sections and all the cross sections are processed by single clicking the button. So this is about layer properties in batch process drawings. Thank you very much.